Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In this video, we'll look at the tuple data type in Python. Tuples are just like lists except for one major thing. Tuples, unlike lists, are not mutable. They are immutable, in that you cannot add new elements or you cannot remove elements from the tuple. That is, you cannot mutate it in any way once you have declared it. And tuples are delimited by the brackets. So I've created a tuple here, fruits, called fruits, which has 3 elements. So for example, if you have a tuple which has only 1 element, you should have a comma in that tuple. Otherwise, it will be the 2 parentheses will just be taken as normal parentheses. And for example, let's say fruits. Let's just say orange. And if we look at the type of fruit, because we don't have the comma at the end, it's just a string, because the 2 brackets have been interpreted as normal parentheses. So for this to be interpreted as a tuple, we should have a comma in it. And now if you look at type of fruits, you find that it's a tuple. Again, the parentheses are optional, but they're recommended for readability, for your code to be readable. For example, you could just as well say fruits that is equal to orange, apple, and mango. And if you could look at the type of fruits, when that is still a tuple, even though we did not declare the parentheses, but it's usually advisable to have the parentheses. So just like lists, most of the operations that are done on lists are also applicable on tuples, except for the operations which mutate the list. You can get an element by its index and so forth, but you cannot remove, that is, you cannot pop, you cannot add, and so forth. So you can try to play around with the tuple with some of the methods that do not mutate it, and see if you can master them and see how you can apply them in your Python scripts. So usually it's when to use a tuple, it's whereby you have a list of items, or you have a sequence of items which will not change dynamically in your program. That is it, the list or the sequence will remain as it is, but if you think that you will change it dynamically in your program, you will have to use a list. So that's it for this video. We'll pick it from here. Thanks for watching.